Hi guys. My name is Leon. I would like to tell you some stories about myself. Let's go through a magical portal and I'll tell you how it all began for me. Be sure to like and subscribe below. Are you ready? Well, let's go. This is me when I was a young puppy. I was rescued by a great family who gave me a good home. My previous owners, well, let's not talk about it. Wasn't I a cute little thing? Here are some of my puppy pics, to get you caught up to speed.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to...
Now that you saw what I looked like when I was a puppy, check out the next videos for some fun stories, tips and some other cool stuff. This is where the fun begins. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Bye for now. I love you all.